All right, so here we have a function given by a of x equals 7.2 x to the 7/16. Now that computes the percentage of viewers who abandon online video after x seconds for a time x 0 to 150 seconds. So we're supposed to make a table of x values, and so then we also have a table of ax values. So we're supposed to do 0, 10, 30, 50, 70. And so basically, we're just going to plug in 0 into here, and 0 times anything is going to be 0, and 0 raised to any power is still 0, so that's going to be 0. All right, what if we plug in 10? Well, then we're going to have to start actually getting some numbers here. So let's say, so we have 10, 30, 50, 70. So we're going to do all the odds there. So we're going to take 7.2, and then we're going to take that times, and then we're going to have 10 to the 7 divided by 16. And so our first one is going to be 19.7. On these, I think they want us to round to their nearest whole number, so that would be 20. Now, let's also do 30. So that's going to be what, 32? And let's do 50. And so that's going to be what, 40? And I can't remember, but I think there was a 70 here, so let's do 70, and hopefully that will be enough. And so that's going to be what? 46. So that's going to be our numbers that we have for this. So now let's go back and write those down in our table. 10 was going to be, we said 20. So let's write 20. 30 was going to be 32 roughly percent. 50 was going to be 40%. And that was going to be 46%. And the A of X, that's going to be, these are percentages. So we can go ahead and put our percentage here. And so we're supposed to interpret the table in terms of how people watch online videos. So it looks like as time goes up, we're kind of slowing down. So, it jumped huge, 20%, then it went to 30, 40, 46. And so as the viewer watches a online, it's an online video longer, the abandonment levels off, we can say. Or it seems to, because it's really steep here, and then it starts slowing down. So it looks like the higher you go on seconds, the more it's going to level off. Okay. All right. So that's all they had on that one. So let's stop here and we'll come back for some more.